Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, January 14th. This is our last day in Module 16. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have a few activities to do in Async. The first one, you're going to read A Picture of Nobody. Okay, that is our short story that we're reading. Okay. Read a few more chapters. Read chapter 2 and 3, and then answer these questions and make your comments. Then your next activity is friends listening activity. Okay. Okay, so you're going to watch a video from the TV show Friends and answer the questions. Okay. So remember to change to make it a little slower, 0.75, and this will help you. So we've done this. And then you start new attempt. And then what are 5 questions? You have a few questions to answer from the video. So if you're not sure, you can always go back and watch the video again. If you click show instructions, and then you could watch the video again and answer the questions. Okay. And your next async activity is a Spark article. You'll read the article Verbal Communication, and you're going to answer this thought question here in the comment section. You will answer this question in the comment section. That's it for today for async. Let's go to sync. So we have a few things. We will read A Picture of Nobody, the book, and we will practice endings, plural endings. We'll do a practice, and then we'll work on our essay. Okay, and that's it for today. Good luck.